Goliath bird-eating tarantula. This is the largest tarantula on the bloody planet. Its enormous fangs can puncture a rodent's skull, and it releases a potent tissue-dissolving venom.
These crazy arachnids feed by sucking the carcass of their prey completely dry. Nothing is left behind, except for some skin, bones, and hair.
Now, this venom isn't deadly to humans, but it does bring the pain.
Oh my God. Let's put your arm down. I don't want to hold this longer than necessary.
Right about here.
You ready?
Yeah. Bite me. Just bite me already. Get off my arm.
Oh, the things are out. The things are out.